Dali sa iligan. Munang banat ta, mga scouts, para dagan ta makapasal. Doon. You have only 1 month to prepare. Okay? Ang hint lang is, atong element 2, ang ato ang unahon of review. At least kung mabagsak ka sa C, maka-class D pa ta. Okay? These are the following students from Suarez National High School. Thank you. This is for Janine Echo Alpha Mike. Sir Jam.
Thank you, Sir Jam, for Indian 9 Echo Alpha Mike for discussing the element 4. And now for the closing remarks, calling Sir Joven Beco Agodo with his call sign Delta Yankee A Charlie Echo X-ray from Pagadian City.
So good afternoon, everyone. So